The lines outside of the Supreme Court are already forming for a chance to hear two same-sex marriage cases set to begin next week. While the 9 justices of the High Court will make their historic decision, the latest CBS News poll shows that 53% of Americans said it should be legal for same-sex couples to marry, while 41% are opposed. CBS News chief legal correspondent Jan Crawford has a preview of what we can expect in the week ahead.
Gay, straight, black, white, marriage is a civil right.
The legal issues have been brewing for years, but there was little doubt someday they would arrive here at the Supreme Court. The justices will hear 2 days of arguments in 2 different gay marriage cases, starting Tuesday in a California case revolving around Proposition 8, a constitutional amendment California voters passed 5 years ago to require that marriage be between a man and a woman. Opponents say Prop 8 is unconstitutional. The second case, being argued Wednesday, could have a broader impact on gays and lesbians across the country, especially for married same-sex couples in the 9 states and District of Columbia that currently recognize gay marriage. Under the Federal Defense of Marriage Act, or DOMA, which Congress passed and then President Clinton signed into law in 1996, those couples now are denied federal benefits and can't even file joint tax returns. President Clinton is now siding with the law's opponents, arguing the law is unconstitutional. The 2 cases mark the first time the court has ever squarely confronted the issue of gay marriage. Now, this is one of the most contentious, closely watched cases that the court will hear in years, and it's an example of the heightened public interest in these cases. Just take a look at this line. These people started camping out overnight for a coveted seat inside the courtroom on Thursday. These arguments, of course, will not kick off until Tuesday, and these divisive cases, most observers believe, are going to divide the justices just as they've divided society. For CBS This Morning Saturday, Jan Crawford at the Supreme Court.